For over 70 years, we listened. We pointed our radio telescopes at the deepest corners of the void, hoping for a whisper, a sequence of primes, or a simple hello. We expected a conversation, but as we move through 2026, we've realized our mistake. The universe isn't silent because it's empty. It's silent because the civilizations that came before us aren't talking anymore. They're gone. But they left something behind. This is the era of astroarchaeology, and our first discovery is a graveyard that spans an entire solar system. Welcome to Epsilon Eridani. Just 10 light-years away, this young orange star has always been a primary target for the search for life. But in early 2026, using the newly optimized Technosignature Array, astronomers stopped looking for signals and started looking for shadows. They were searching for geometry, shapes that nature simply does not make. What they found wasn't a signal, it was a scar. Surrounding the star is a chaotic, fragmented cloud of artificial structures, the remnants of a Dyson Swarm. In theory, a Dyson Swarm is the ultimate achievement of an advanced civilization. Trillions of solar collectors orbiting a star to harvest its entire energy output. It should be a beacon of infinite power, a testament to a species that has conquered the laws of scarcity. But the swarm at Epsilon Eridani is dark. It's broken. Through our most advanced 2026 imaging, we can see them. Trillions of massive, miles-wide panels, once polished and perfect, now drifting in decaying, chaotic orbits. They are colliding with one another, grinding into a fine cosmic dust that creates a permanent, sickly haze around the star. There is no rhythm to their movement, there is no maintenance, and most importantly, there is no heat. This is the detail that keeps scientists awake at night. A functional Dyson swarm should glow intensely in the infrared spectrum, radiating the waste heat of a bustling interstellar empire. But the Epsilon Eridani swarm is cold. This isn't a machine in operation. It is a derelict ruin. It is a cosmic graveyard of a civilization that reached the absolute peak of technological evolution, harnessed the power of a sun, and then simply vanished. As we analyze the debris patterns with 2026 precision, the horror of the discovery begins to set in. We aren't looking at a slow, natural decline. The structural damage, the jagged edges of the collectors, and the vast fields of shrapnel suggests a catastrophic event. It looks like a harvest, or perhaps a war that occurred while we were still perfecting the stone tool. The creators of this megastructure didn't just leave their home, they were extinguished in the middle of their golden age. This is the terrifying final answer to the Fermi paradox. We haven't found a neighbor to talk to. We have found proof that life is fragile, no matter how much energy it controls. We are looking at our own possible future, a graveyard of geometry floating in the cold dark. We are the scavengers picking through the bones of giants, realizing too late that in this universe, being first doesn't mean you win. It just means you were the first to be found by something even larger. We are not alone in the universe. We are just late to the funeral. And as we stare at the broken rings of Epsilon Eridani, we have to ask, who or what is still out there waiting for the next star to be shrouded in glass?